The world is witnessing a move that no one expected. China and Russia have just deepened their cooperation in Yemen, sending shockwaves through the Middle East and beyond. This isn't just another alliance. It's a power shift that could redraw the map of influence in one of the world's most volatile regions. As military convoys move, as drones circle the skies, and as naval forces strengthen their presence, the balance of power is no longer what it used to be. The question now is simple: who controls the future of the Middle East? Welcome back to my channel. Yemen has long been the battleground where global powers test their strength. For years, Saudi Arabia, Iran, and Western nations have fought a shadow war through local forces. But now, with China and Russia stepping in, the conflict has reached a dangerous new stage. Beijing brings advanced drone technology, cyber warfare capabilities, and massive infrastructure deals under its Belt and Road Initiative. Moscow, on the other hand, adds raw military power, fighter jets, missile defense systems, and the kind of battlefield experience honed in Syria and Ukraine. Together, they form a partnership that could challenge American dominance in the region. For Washington and its allies, this development is nothing short of alarming. The United States has relied on its naval dominance in the Red Sea and its strategic bases across the Gulf to maintain control of vital shipping routes. But with Russian warships gaining access to Yemeni ports and Chinese intelligence networks setting up on the ground, the security of these waters could slip out of American hands. Every oil tanker, every trade vessel passing through the Bab al-Mandeb Strait now risks becoming a pawn in this great power struggle. The ripple effects are already visible. Saudi Arabia fears that its southern border could once again become a front line, while Israel closely monitors any military buildup that might strengthen Iran's allies in the region. Meanwhile, Yemen itself, already devastated by years of war, has become the stage for global confrontation where local suffering is overshadowed by international agendas. Civilian populations brace for what might come next, while militias and armed groups grow bolder under the shadow of great power backing. This is not simply about Yemen anymore. It is about the Middle East as a whole, and who will shape its destiny in an era of shifting alliances and dangerous rivalries. As this alliance deepens, the world edges closer to a dangerous tipping point. China and Russia are not only supplying weapons and technology, they are rewriting the rules of influence in the Middle East. Their cooperation in Yemen signals a broader strategy to undermine Western dominance, secure energy routes, and showcase a new order where Washington no longer dictates the terms. This is why analysts warn that the stakes are higher than ever before. Imagine the impact of Chinese stealth drones flying alongside Russian fighter jets over Yemeni skies. Picture warships from Moscow and Beijing anchoring near one of the most critical choke points for global trade. Every move is designed to send a clear message to Washington, Riyadh, and even Brussels. The balance of power is shifting, and nothing will remain the same. The world watches nervously as this fragile region becomes the centerpiece of global rivalry. Will this alliance push the Middle East into a new Cold War, or could it spiral into open confrontation? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the shockwaves from Yemen are spreading fast, and the entire world is beginning to feel them.